Hi, my name is Trisha Bach and I'm a 2013 graduate of the Kaskaskia engineering program. I leveraged their 2+2 program with SIU Edwardsville and earned my bachelor's degree in industrial engineering in 2015. Later in 2020, I returned to SIUE in an online program to earn my MBA. I started my career during my undergrad working for Kraft Foods as a continuous improvement engineering intern. Post-graduation, I started working for Nestle Purina Pet Care in Davenport, Iowa. During my tenure with Nestle Purina, I moved through various roles within manufacturing excellence and was given the opportunity to work in 18 of their 21 U.S. facilities implementing TPM methodologies in order to accelerate business results. Not included in that number are the brownfield and greenfield sites that I developed the foundational strategy for their capability building plan. During the development of that strategy, I was approached with an opportunity to learn and leverage Lean Six Sigma tools with a biotech company called MilliporeSigma in St. Louis. I am currently their operational excellence manager overseeing 2 of their production facilities. My role encompasses the development of various Lean Six Sigma belts, as well as defining and leading the continuous improvement strategy for the sites in order to achieve business results. KC's engineering program enabled me to develop the foundational skills that I needed to be successful in my career. The faculty at Kaskaskia College are passionate and dedicated to ensuring each of their students is provided the proper resources they need to be successful and prepared for the next steps towards their degree. Starting my education at Kaskaskia College saved me thousands of dollars, and the transition to SIUE was flawless. And most importantly, I was adequately prepared for the next steps to earn my degree at SIU Edwardsville. Kaskaskia provided me with hands-on learning experiences as well as network building through their Kaskaskia Engineering Association, which is one of the many ways that they ensure their students have the proper resources that they need to be prepared for their next steps.